Good morning, students. So let's continue with the chapter, that's the issue of debentures. Take down the next side heading. Issue of debentures as collateral security. So what do we mean by this? Sometimes what happens, a company will be taking loan from a bank or some third party. So when the company takes a loan, the company may have to issue debentures as a subsidiary or secondary security in addition to the principal security. So we all know that when anybody takes a loan from the bank, they have to give a security. So the security which is given is the principal security. And in case a subsidiary or secondary security is given, it will be known as collateral security. So a company will give the debentures as the collateral security and get the loan from the bank or some third person. And as soon as the company will pay the final installment of the loan, they will get their debentures back. So there are two methods of dealing of such debentures. That is, first method. In this method, no journal entry will be passed as the debentures are not actually issued but only given as a collateral security. The only entry that will be passed is the loan taken from the bank. So you can write entry taken for loan from the bank. The entry will be bank account debited to bank loan account. After this, write down the note. On the equity and liability side of the balance sheet, comma, a note is appended below the loan that the loan is secured by the issue of debentures as a collateral security. So in the first method, no entry will be passed for issue of debentures. But in the second method, the entry will be passed for issue of debentures as a security and also entry taken for loan from the bank. So under that, the first entry is on taking loan. So the entry will be same, that is bank account debited to bank loan account. Next we have second one, on issuing debentures as collateral security. Entry for this will be debenture suspense account debited to debenture account. Write down the note. In the balance sheet, comma, debenture suspense account will be shown as a deduction from the debenture account on the equity and liability side. Full stop. As and when the loan is repaid, both the entries passed above are reversed. Take down illustration 19. A company had 10 lakh 12% debentures outstanding on 1st April 2011. During the year, company took a loan of 2 lakh from the State Bank of India, of which the company placed with the bank debentures of 2,50,000 as collateral security. Past journal entries also show how the debentures and bank loan will appear in the company's balance sheet. So let us work out first method. Under that, write down, no entry is passed for the issue of debentures in this method. Full stop. Entry is passed only for taking a loan from the bank. So what will be the entry? Bank account debited to bank loan account. How much is it? 2 lakh debit, 2 lakh credit. Write the narration. Loan taken from the bank. Close the bracket. Next we need to draw the balance sheet. Extract of balance sheet as on 31st March 2012. Particulars, note number, current year, previous year, and then we have notes to accounts. Particulars, amount and amount. So first one we have long term borrowings. Under that we have 12% debentures. On bracket you can write, in addition, debentures for rupees 2,50,000 is issued as collateral security. How much is it? 10 lakh. Next we have bank loan. On bracket, on collateral security of 2,50,000. 2 lakh. So total is 12 lakh. Now go to your balance sheet. First one, equity and liabilities. Under that, non-current liabilities. Under that, long-term borrowings. Note number 1, 12 lakh rupees. And for the previous year it is 10 lakh rupees. Clear? After this, write down second method. We need to pass the journal entry. First one is bank account debited to bank loan account. How much is it? 2 lakh debit, 2 lakh credit. Write the narration. Loan taken from the bank. Next we have second entry. Debentures, suspense account debited to 12% debenture account. How much is it? 2,50,000 debit, 2,50,000 credit. Write the narration. Issue of 2,50,000 debentures as collateral security to secure a loan of rupees 2 lakh from the bank. Again we need to draw the balance sheet. So write down balance sheet as on 31st March 2012. Particulars, note number, previous year, current year. Then we have notes to accounts. So we have first one again, long term borrowings. 12% debentures is how much? 10 lakh plus 2,50,000, that is 12,50,000, less debenture suspense account. How much is it? 2,50,000. How much do we get? 10 lakh. Then we have bank loan. How much is it? 2 lakh. So how much do we get? 12 lakh. Same thing in the balance sheet. First one, equity and liability. Under that we have non-current liabilities. Under that, long-term borrowings. Note number 1, current year 12 lakh, previous year 10 lakh. Clear? So this is a very simple type of a problem. Take down another illustration, that is illustration 20. Megnath Limited took a loan of 1,20,000 from the bank and deposited 1,400 8% debentures of 100 each as collateral security along with the primary security worth 2 lakh. Company again took a loan of 80,000 after 2 months from a bank and deposited 1,008% debentures of 100 each as collateral security. Record necessary journal entries. How will you show the issue of debentures and bank loan in the balance sheet? So write down Books of Meghnad Limited, journal entries. So first entry will be bank account debited to bank loan account. How much is it? It took a loan of 1,20,000. So write the narration. Loan obtained from the bank, secured by primary security, worth rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1,40,000, 8% debentures as collateral security. Next entry we have debenture suspense account debited to 8% debentures account. How many debentures are issued? 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Write the narration. Issue of rupees 1,40,000 debentures as collateral security to secure a loan of rupees 1,20,000 from the bank. Next, after 2 months, again a loan is taken. So again the entry is bank account debited to bank loan account. How much the loan is taken? 80,000. So to take a loan of 80,000, the company deposited debentures of worth 1 lakh. They have already given 1,000 of 100 each. So write the narration. Loan obtained from the bank, secured by 1 lakh 8% debentures as collateral security. Next we have last entry, debenture suspense account debited to 8% debentures. How much? 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. That is 1,000 into 100, 1,000 into 100. Write the narration. Issue of 1 lakh debentures as collateral security to secure a loan of rupees 80,000 from the bank. Next we need to show the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on particulars, note to account, previous year, current year. First is current year, then is previous year. Then first is equity and liability. We need to have the notes to accounts. So first one is long-term borrowings. Under that 8% debentures. How much is it? 1,40,000 plus 1 lakh. 2,40,000 less debenture suspense account 2,40,000. So it is nil. Then we have bank loan in bracket on primary security worth rupees 2 lakh and collateral security of debentures of rupees 2,40,000. How much is it? 2 lakh rupees. So now in our balance sheet, under equity and liability, non-current liabilities. Under that we have long-term borrowings. Note number 1, 2 lakh rupees. After the problem, write the note. No entry is passed for primary security in the books of accounts. Clear? So this is how we work out the problem in case of debentures issued at collateral security. So that's all for today. Thank you.